Getting started with project organization in Slack.
Slack makes teamwork easier by organizing conversations and files in one place. To keep team projects on track, take advantage of channels and tags, two essential tools that streamline communication and help everyone find information quickly.
Creating channels for each project.
Set up a dedicated channel for every team project. Name channels clearly, like Project Marketing Campaign. This keeps messages, files, and updates for each project in one spot, making it easy for team members to focus on what matters most.
How to use tags effectively.
Tags, or custom keywords added with hashtags, help categorize messages and highlight important topics within channels. For example, use tags like #deadline or #review when posting updates, so teammates can easily search for relevant information later.
Best practices for channel collaboration.
Encourage your team to keep discussions relevant to each project channel. Pin important messages, share files directly in the channel, and mention teammates using @ to get their attention when needed. This keeps work organized and ensures nothing gets missed.
Tips for managing large projects in Slack.
For complex projects, break them down into sub-channels or use threads for different tasks. Regularly review and update tags to reflect current priorities. Keep channels tidy by archiving old ones, so your workspace stays clutter-free and focused on active projects.